Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat account settings. And in this video, I will show you how to simply reset your WeChat account password. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Go ahead and click on me. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on account security. Go ahead and click on password. And here we go. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and enter your old password, enter new password, and confirm this password. Once you are done, go ahead and click on done right here, and the password will be completely set in your account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.